Hi, in this tutorial we are going to solve a question related to resonance. So this is an exercise and it says that show the curved arrows that would convert A into B. Let's analyze two resonance forms and let's look at the differences. Here on the first A we have a nitrogen and it has a lone pair, and in the second form that lone pair is missing, and we have also a pi bond between nitrogen and carbon. So we assume that we guess that this lone pair will be shifted between carbon and nitrogen to make a pi bond. And, and next, we can see that the pi bond between this carbon and nitrogen is missing on the other side, and it's shifting between the other nitrogen and carbon. So we guess that this pi bond will shift here. And in the second part, again, we see that the pi bond in the A is moving on the other carbon and carbon bond. So we can also estimate that this pi bond will shift here. And we can also see that the pi bond between carbon and oxygen is missing on the other side, and it is moving as a lone pair on oxygen. So after deciding what will happen from A to B, we can just add the arrows. Okay, so we say that the lone pair on this nitrogen will shift as a pi bond, and the pi bond between carbon and nitrogen should shift between other carbon and nitrogen. And we also said that the pi bond between carbon and carbon will move to next position, and finally the pi bond between carbon and oxygen will move on oxygen as a lone pair. And if we check all the structures, they are pretty same. So we need to add 4 arrows, curved arrows, to go from A to B as a resonance form. Thank you so much for watching the video.